In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and copy your USDT address using the Phantom wallet. Whether you're new to the world of digital currencies or you've been navigating through it for a while, finding your USDT address is an essential step in managing and receiving funds. So let's dive into it. First, if you haven't already, the first thing you'll want to do is open the Phantom wallet application on your device. This is your entry point to accessing your cryptocurrency holdings and managing them effectively. Once you've opened the app, ensure that you are logged into your account. This is a crucial step because if you're not logged in, you won't be able to see or manage your balances and transactions. Once you're on the home page after logging in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already accustomed. Here, you should be able to see your current balance displayed prominently, along with a list of tokens you might own. Alongside these, you'll notice a variety of key features that Phantom offers, such as options to receive, send, swap, and buy. These functionalities are designed to make your cryptocurrency transactions as seamless as possible. For our task today, you'll need to focus on the Receive option. So go ahead and click on Receive. Now, what's great about Phantom is that it provides a comprehensive list of various cryptocurrencies you can choose from. On this screen, you'll see a variety of coins displayed. Since we're specifically interested in receiving USDT, and USDT is often preferred on the Ethereum blockchain for its reliability and speed, you'll want to select Ethereum from the list of coins. Now comes the crucial part, copying the address. Once you've selected Ethereum, the app will generate a unique Ethereum address for you. This address is what you'll use to receive USDT coins. Make sure you copy this address carefully. A simple tip here is to use the copy function provided by the app to ensure accuracy instead of trying to manually capture and input it. Now, with the address safely copied, you can use it whenever you need to receive USDT. Whether you're using this address for transactions or sharing it with others to facilitate transfers, having it readily available can simplify your processes. And there you have it. You've successfully located and copied your USDT address using the Phantom app. Remember, handling cryptocurrency addresses carefully is vital to ensure your funds are directed without error. Take the time to double-check that you've copied the address correctly before using it. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore additional resources or community supports related to Phantom. Thank you for following along, and happy transacting with your USDT.